Karan this side from TechRefs, and today we are here to review the Redmi 3. So let's start off with understanding the specification of the Redmi 3S. Now the Redmi 3S is a Qualcomm Snapdragon powered 430 chipset, and comes with the Adreno 4505 GPU, and this processor was released way back in 2016, end 2016. Comes with a 5-inch comes with a 5-inch 1280 by 720 screen, HD quality, and it's IPS LCD of sorts, and comes with 4000 milliampere of battery. Now given the width is so less, putting a 4000 milliampere battery must have been really much of a tussle for these guys, and kudos to them for being able to do it back then. It comes with 3G and 4G. It along with that, it used to come in two variants, 16 and 32 GB variant, 2 and 3 GB option. This one is the 16 GB 2 GB variant, and it comes in gray, metallic, silver. As you can see in this box, it comes in 3, and this is the golden one that we have over here. And along with that, it comes with the 13 megapixel main camera with the LED flash. The camera is nothing home to write about. The camera also has an aperture size of 2. Comes with IR blaster on top. You can control the appliances and everything with this. We'll get on to that a bit later. Comes with 3.5mm jack, micro SD card, dual SIM in nature, volume rockers up and down, and on off button, and comes with the speakerphone. I think it's just on the right the speakers are there, and then the Mi branding, and then the disclaimers and everything. Comes with a micro USB, so welcome 2017. Yeah. Over here it's multifunction, home, back button, and the speaker grill over here, and the front camera, which is a 5 megapixel one. So let's just get on and see how the phone functions. The moment we turn it on, it's a beautiful looking display, nothing wrong with it at all. And you open it and you instantly get here. Let's start off by looking at the geek benchmark. As you can see, this is a Redmi 3S running on Android 6.0 with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 430, so that is octa-cores, running at 1.09 and 1.4 gigahertz. Now let me just go to the history, and I had done a computation, and it comes single core is 649 and multi-core is 1627, with you can see 2 GB RAM, 4 core over here. Multiple scores are given below. So again, nothing to write home about during this time. It's, in fact, I would call it pretty mid-range performance, pretty low-end performance, but for that time this was one of the best phones. Even right now this phone is worthy of buying. Let's go and check out the camera app. So it comes with a 13 megapixel camera over here. Let me just snap a pic of that and show you how it looks. Okay, so over here, this is the image that came up, and pretty decent. And I took an image of this also. It can't really blur out the background too much, but then it does a pretty decent job. Not bad for this, for a 6,000 rupees phone or $100 phone back in the day, around a year and a half back. Let's do a bit of gaming, shall we? So let's start off with the Temple Run 2. Now why I chose Temple Run 2? Because, well, 2016 and 17, that's why. Okay, let's check out what setting I'm running it at. settings, visual quality is at the best. Let's just click on play. The game runs beautifully, no hiccups at all. Game runs perfectly smooth, no lags, no issues at all. So as you could see, the game was running pretty smoothly. Not much of a hassle was there. Let me run something a bit more modern, shall we? Mario Run. Let's start with. As you can see, the game runs beautifully. No hiccup, no lag whatsoever. Yep, it runs perfectly. As you could see, the game was running perfectly fine. So that's what I want to say, is that this game is fine for running decent games. The screen resolution isn't that much, it doesn't need to push in that many pixels, and should suffice pretty much for all your gaming hardware needs. Let's look at a bit at the browser. um, let's open let's try with basic google.com. Let's just open google.com. Yeah, okay. This is my website, thetechcrust.com. You can go to this website and check review. Zoom in, zooms in fine, no problem, no lag. Let's click on an article, opens up very fast. Article also opened up really fast and quick. Let's just play a video on the page itself. So this is a gameplay video of Detroit being human. It's a new game that has come out, and at 720p the game runs perfectly fine, no problem there. So yeah, and this is the Mi remote. So with this you can add a remote. You can go over there, check it out over there, and configure something to use as a remote. So that comes to the end of the review. And why are we reviewing this phone right now after such a long time? Well, mostly because this phone still offers a lot of value. So if you can get it maybe in second-hand market for something really cheap, close to 2000, 3000 rupees, this phone still makes a great bang for your buck. And this phone is made out of metal. Only the top and the bottom and the top parts are made out of plastic. The rest all of it is metal and glass over here. So that does it for my review. Thank you so much for watching, and I will leave a link in the description for the new Redmi 5A that has come out for 4999 or 5999, which is a good replacement for this phone. Although that also features more or less the same features. And like our channel, subscribe to the channel if you like our videos, the sort of videos I make, and do comment if you have any specific requirements. Okay, thank you so much.